Hi, everybody. We're going to get ready to go ahead and to do our math today. And so we're on our second lesson, and we're going to go ahead and look at a paper together. And it is lesson 15 2. And what we're doing today is called above, below, and on. So let's look at our vocabulary words. This one is above. The ball is above the table. Notice it's not touching it, it is above. Let's look at our next one. Our next one that we have says below. Look at the ball. The ball is below the table. It's underneath below. And the last word says on. It is on the table. It is touching it. So let's look at our example. If I asked you to draw a square above the table that looks more like a rectangle, it wouldn't be touching the table. If I asked you to draw a circle on the table, it would be touching it. If I asked you to draw a triangle below the table, it would be underneath. Now, my next picture, I want us to pretend we're by the water, and it's kind of silly that my water is green. So I'm going to add some blue to it. But if we have some water and we've got a boat, we can see the boat is on the water. We can see that the sun is above the water. We can see that the fish is below the water. Below. Now let's look at this little house. And the house that we have, we can see that the house is on the dirt. And we can say that the worms are below the dirt. Then when we look, we can say that the sun is above the house. Now you're going to have 2 pages that we do today, and we are working on those words above, below, and on. So remember when Mrs. Love went ahead and showed you my little stuffed animal? And I said that the stuffed animal is above my head. The stuffed animal is on my head. The stuffed animal is under my head or below my head. So now we're going to get ready to go ahead and do a page today. And I'm going to have you look and see. And let's look at this train. Now, this train, when we look on it, it is on the train track, right? O-N. Then I want us to go ahead and we're going to draw a rectangle on the train track. So it's right on there. It's on, right? Now I want you to go ahead and draw a circle above the bridge. And the last thing that I want you to do is I want you to draw a triangle below. So now we have on, above, and below. You do not have to write the words, but I do want you to go ahead and to draw the shapes. When we flip it over on the back, we have lots that's going on, but we're using those words again, above, below, and on. So my first thing that I'm going to look at is I see the boy and girl. I want you to go ahead and I want you to cross out the picture above the boy. So let's look. Here's the girl and here's the boy. The picture above the boy is this one. Very nice. Now I want you to look and it says, now we're going to do the hat below the boy. Well, this is the girl, but this hat is below the boy. Very nice. Now let's look at the bird. Now there's 2 birds, but we want to choose the bird that is on the boy. On the boy. Very good. And now I want you to look at the yarn. We want the yarn that is below. So this one is on and this one is below. Some of those words sound a little bit tricky, but once we get used to it and we use our good listening, it is easy to identify above, below, and on. Now you grab an object and you show me. Ready? Above, below, and on or on. Good job, scholars. I will see you tomorrow.